Hey, welcome to the Desidor brand. And it's one of those nights that I do the cooking to give the wife a break. So I decided that this time I'm gonna be cooking a full plate meal that I decided on chicken steaks along with some corn, some green beans, baked potato, cheese. Meaning the potato will have cheese on it, and some gravy for both the well, not for the potatoes in it since it has the cheese, but it's for the chicken steak. And we'll see how all that pans out. I'm just gonna wing it most of it. It's pretty simple, not too hard, but we'll see if I screw it up or not. Once again, my first time doing this, so it's in vlog. Hopefully, I don't screw it up. By the way, this is not a how-to video on how to cook. No, it's just a daily vlog type of video. You seeing me do this. So it's not gonna have step-by-step instructions. So if you don't like it, click away now. So these are the big baked potatoes I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna wash them and then start cutting and boiling them up. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the potatoes have been boiled and now they're gonna be stuck into the oven. And there they are. There they go in the oven. Chicken patties in the stove cooking in the oven. Green beans. A can of green beans that I'm gonna be cooking now. Right here. And the green beans are done cooking. So let's turn that baby off. While the corn still heats up and boils. And the meal is ready for two. Green beans, some corn, some chicken steaks. There's the baked potato with some cheese, y'all. It has cheese, y'all. I did it. It all looks good and ready for our tummies. Yummy, yum, yum. Very nice, I believe. We forgot drinks, I just realized, but right now in a minute, I'm gonna be tasting some of this for the first time reaction. So I guess I'll start with my favorite part. Let me just rearrange my plate here. And my favorite part, well, it's the first time I've cooked it, but I've eaten this things in my life, obviously. Well, actually, no, because my mom would never do baked potatoes with cheese. So this is the first time I ever had baked potato with cheese. And it's me doing it, so how about that? Here's my chicken steak with some gravy. I love it. Now, let's taste some of the green beans. I did put butter in it, so it should be fine. Edible. Now, can you please put butter on my corn while I taste it? Can work on that while I taste the potato and cheese here for a little bit. Take a little sample here, the potato with cheese. It's got some cheese in there. I think I need to dig in more for the sample in here. It's good. I love it. Now let's get to the corn, y'all. Has some butter now. And I really dug in there with my teeth. And as I like to say in this channel, it's good, y'all. Look at how cheesy it is. Good. That look good. Subscribe.